Hey, okay, so it's about 3:45 on Friday afternoon, and I just wanted to make this video to show you what it looks like before all of the snow that we are supposed to get.
So pick me up from this tailspin. I'm beginning to wonder if we choose to be.
This is my neighborhood. It is currently snowing and has been snowing for about an hour and 15 minutes. Alright, so we'll check back later. It's about 4:30, so it's been snowing for about 2 hours.
If you're telling me once, I think I can learn this, but I haven't a clue. Speaking as such, I think I can float on, together drifting apart. And so speak to me in the first person, and so I could never get my dreams. And picking it up, I tried to forget this. So help me, darling, now. And one thing's for sure, we can't be so certain, and we haven't a clue. You know, do we sacrifice our plans? If we do, you can forget those things from me. Topsy-turvy world, your squirrel, help me chase away the nuts. Turvy world, your squirrel, help me chase away the nuts. Oh, yes I will, yes I will. Oh, yes I will, yes I will. This is your last chance.
Alright, this is our backyard, and as you can see, you really can't see Mimi, which is a little Miata in my car. This right here, this porch, has a roof on it. This is all the snow from the snow drifting from the wind. I'll show you the front in a minute. Alright, so I haven't opened the door yet. I just wanted to show you the size of the door because I know that when I open it, there's going to be snow up to it. So, open the door. This is the snow. This is our front. Oh, nice and white. And I'm going to go out and shovel this. I love that thing. The time is 2:17. Getting ready to go out and shovel, so we will see what time I come back in. Alright, so I've been shoveling for, I don't know, I can't see, but a little over 2.5 hours. This is the walkway. You know, I shoveled it and it's already snow covered again. How crazy is that? This is where I stopped. Ooh, almost fell. These are the steps that I really didn't want to do because it's getting late. It's about 4:30, a little bit after. And this is our street, as you can see. Totally snow covered. I don't think anybody's going to work on Monday. Their house. Good morning. It is January 24th. It is the day after the historic blizzard of 2016. I just wanted to show you our walkway. The wonderful husband shoveled after I went to sleep last night. I shoveled this part up until right here, and then he shoveled down the stairs and over to the neighbors. And this is our road. Has not been plowed yet, so it's completely level with what Aaron shoveled last night. Alright, now let's go fly the quadcopter and hope that it doesn't land on this snow, because this is literally up to my hips and I don't want to have to go and get it.
If you're telling me once, I think I can learn this, but I haven't a clue. Speaking as such, I think I can float on, together drifting apart. And so
Right now I got another dilemma. I don't know if you can see it. All the way over there. I guess I'm gonna have to crawl over there. You can't even see it. Yeah, so that'd be fun. Oh man, stuff I get myself into. Alright, and here is our backyard. So all of the snow is because of blowing snow. I shoveled this area yesterday. Ooh, jeez, almost fell. Look at the snowdrift on Mimi. There's my car. I love this little ridge. Backyard. Alright, let's try to fly the drone and hope that it doesn't get stuck anywhere.
So speak to me in the first person, and so I can never get my dreams. And picking it up, I tried to forget this. So help me, darling, now. And one thing's for sure, we can't be so certain. And we haven't a clue. You know, do we sacrifice our plans? If we do, you can forget those things from me. Topsy-turvy world, your squirrel, help me chase away the nuts. Turvy world, your squirrel, and you chase away the nuts. Oh, yes I will, yes I will. Oh, yes I will, yes I will. This is your last chance.
Time to change the battery.
So pick me up from this tailspin. I'm beginning to wonder if we choose to